India is not a dharamshala and that only citizens have the right to live in the country, said Union Home Minister Amit Shah while making a strong statement on infiltration and border security. Infiltrators posed a threat to India's security, economy and demographies, said Shah while speaking at the valedictory session of the National Security Strategy Conference of the Intelligence Bureau. Shah said, "This country is not a dharamshala, only citizens of the country have the right to live here." The statement came during a conference attended by chiefs of central agencies and state police forces. Shah's four-pronged border security plan. The Home Minister said that over the past 8 months, he had visited all states sharing land borders. According to Shah, a document outlining a four-pronged approach to border security has been shared with these states. He said the government's goal is to make the country free of infiltrators in a very short period. Why does Shah call infiltration a security threat? Shah said infiltration is not only a security issue. According to him, infiltrators pose a threat to India's security, economy and demographies. The issue was therefore discussed as part of the broader national security strategy at the two-day conference. India's changing security challenges. Shah also said India's security policy must take into account a rapidly changing global environment. He pointed to global instability, insecurity around energy and resources, supply chain disruptions, rising radicalization, and cyber misinformation as major challenges. According to the Home Minister, India needs a strong internal security system if it is to become a developed country. He said, if India is to emerge at the forefront in every field, its internal security will have to be further strengthened. What was discussed at the IB conference? Over the two-day National Security Strategy Conference, intelligence agencies and security forces discussed several key issues. These included infiltration, real-time intelligence sharing against terror groups, and dismantling their logistics and funding networks. The discussions brought together central intelligence agencies and state police forces to focus on strengthening India's overall internal security framework. Amit Shah's latest remarks put infiltration and border security firmly at the center of India's internal security strategy.